Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix a verification requirement installing free apps or simply paid apps on your iPhone. So if you try to install apps on your app store, and when you try to install the app and try to purchase any kind of app, verification is required. So if you want to fix that, so how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply click on settings, and after that in the payment and shipping method, what you have to do, you have to simply click on payment method and you have to select none, which means you do not have to put the payment method in the payment and shipping. So here what you have to do, you have to simply go back and you do not have to provide any kind of payment method. So if any kind of payment method is available, and you can simply go for the payment method and you have to disable it. And after that you can also turn off the setting for required password in the app purchases. For what you have to do, you have to simply click on Apple ID again and you have to click on media purchases, Indian purchases, and here you have to simply click on password settings, and you have to make sure that required password option is turned off, which means that when you try to install the app from the app store, it doesn't require verification or password on your app store. So when you try to install the free apps, you do not require any kind of payment method or verification after you do all the settings. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.